bench dips. For this next exercise, you're going to need a chair. You're going to sit down to the edge of the chair, placing your palms just outside your hips. From there, you're going to let your rear end hang off the edge of the chair as you pull your shoulder blades back and down away from your ears. From there, you're going to skin your back down the edge of the bench, reaching your butt down to the floor. You'll notice that my shoulders, or my chest is still up. I do not want to allow my chest to cave in and my shoulders to roll forward. We have to maintain good posture and shoulder mechanics. Press straight up to full tricep extension, and then back down, back up. If you want to extend your legs a little bit further, that'll make it a little bit harder.